Save big on BJ's tires with exclusive coupons and promo codes. Are you ready to upgrade your car's performance with top quality tires while saving big? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to access BJ's Tires coupons, promo codes, and exclusive discounts so you can get the best deals on everything from durable tires to automotive accessories. Step 1. Visit promosaver.net. Head to promosaver.net or click the link I've shared in the video description or comments below. This is your ultimate destination for incredible savings on BJ's Tires products. Step 2. Choose the best discount code for your needs. Browse through a variety of promo codes and select the one that fits your tire needs perfectly. Whether you need all-season tires, performance tires, or a new set of wheels, there's a discount waiting just for you. Step 3. Apply the code at checkout and enjoy massive savings. Once you've selected the promo code, simply apply it at checkout and watch your total drop. It's quick, easy, and incredibly rewarding to save on high-quality tires. Why pay full price for top-notch tires when you can enjoy incredible savings with just a few simple steps? With BJ's Tires, you get the best of both worlds: premium quality and affordable prices. Don't miss out on these exclusive deals. Click the link now to get your coupon and start saving today. Drive smarter, save more, and give your car the care it deserves, while keeping more money in your pocket.